Yes. And did you do a 12-month horoscope spread for her? You can do that also. You can find out at the time of birthday how the following 12 months will go for that person. You can also do that. Okay? Yeah. Great. Very great. So that's how we know that what is happening in the horoscope of a person is also being reflected in the tarot cards, and it is also used in the astrological spread. Okay? So great. Can you share that reading with us in the group? Joan, if you have that reading, please share that reading in the group. That's why again I'm saying please maintain your journal, please take pictures. Later on you will remember when they come true, and when you see the matching and the synchronicities, you will see how things will add up. Okay, how they will match real events. So then you will, okay, so please maintain notes like that. Very good. Let's take out quickly. Do a 12 card spread. Joan, you have the deck with you? Okay. Same layout is there, and in the place of the Lagna or the first house, do the first month. Do the first month. Okay. So let's see. Do from September, month of September. Let's say the birthday is coming this month. So from September. Okay. So they will come. These are the important cards. They will continue to come for that person. Yeah, keep this in the position of the Lagna. Keep it on the top. Keep this on the top as we do at 12 o'clock. Yeah. Yes. And now anti-clockwise. Yes. This will be September. Then October. Just turn it upside down. Turn your deck upside down. Huh. Yes, they will coincide. You will see. You will have many aha moments here when you're doing this. Okay, lot of aha moments. Yeah, that's when you know the angels are with you. Yeah. Means this is part of her destiny plan. When a card keeps repeating, it's a part of either her nature or her destiny plan. Okay, what is her basic number? Number 1. Okay. Okay, so it's coming, right? Psychology is her passion. It is her interest. So it's coming. See, one of Ace of Wands converting into a 6 of Wands by the 11th month. Yeah, this here. This is 5 of Wands, right? Yes. This is showing jealousy because of her achievements in the previous month. It is showing some people are getting jealous. Her colleagues or her batchmates are getting jealous of her achievements. Okay? In this month, last month. So this is how we do a yearly forecast, annual forecast. And any month you feel that things are promising or you're looking forward to certain events in a particular month, you can take out a supplementary card on that. Okay, for example, in the 4th month you feel that little bit of an emotional trouble is there, so you can take out a supplementary card with the question, what could be giving her so much of emotional suffering. See, Queen of Cups is here. That means she's, yeah, so she's going to be in some kind of a very emotional position. Yes. So you can take more if you have a specific question, or if you are conversant with the situation in her life. Maybe she has someone in her life and you know about it, then you can give her more guidance, how she can deal with it. Then she might be meeting somebody, or she might be feeling very lonely at this time. She's wanting companionship, not getting it. So maybe that's why she's feeling very anguished because of that. Okay, so have a discussion with her, but definitely you will point out this feature to her, that you will be very sensitive and emotional in this particular month. So try to be emotionally balanced. If she knows already, then she will be careful even before the thing is happening. So a lot of tarot is giving guidance before the event happens. So that is why it is known as the GPS, because it is telling you which path to navigate and which path to avoid. Yes, you can. Based on the Ace of Wands, you can tell her, because Ace of Wands is about going solo. Okay, Ace of Wands is about starting, something of your own. So she can do that. Yes, she definitely has the potential in her. Yes, so she needs to be very clear-minded about that, not have doubts, and start out with a lot of confidence. Okay, yes, she can do that. Because we see the Wands developing further, Ace of Wands developing further into the 6 of Wands. So definitely she can. She has that potential of being a self-employed person. Right? So this is the way we are going to do the forecast. You can also do a 6-month spread. You can do an annual spread, a 1-month spread. You can do even a 24 card spread, okay, for the next 2 years. So it's totally up to you. Some people, what they want is that they want a more minute version, so they divide it into a fortnight. That means instead of 12 cards, you take out 24 cards for the coming year. That also you can do. First half and second half of a month. Because some people are working on short timelines, they have generally tasks or works related to 1 week, 2 weeks. So then you can break it down. Okay, do this. It's very accurate and it's very, very insightful. Do it for yourself. Then also it's very good. Yes, she can. Okay. So maybe you can all do this spread. Maybe you can do this as a class activity. And my birthday is coming on the 18th. So maybe you can just pull out some cards for me. Okay. Just do an annual forecast for me, since you all know me very well by now. Okay. Yes. Please take a picture. Okay. Yeah, send it on the group, okay? It will just be an interesting activity and everybody can compare cards, because I am a live case. so you can see. Okay. Chalo. Okay, great. So now we know so many new spreads today. I hope you've really enjoyed the class today. And master's class is actually very interactive, and you get a lot of insights, and you learn so much about the cards. You know, because different psychological aspects you get from this. And we've done the Celtic Cross, we've done today customized spread, we've done the time spread, we've done the horoscope spread, we've done the annual forecast spread. So now you have become very expert, you know, with the cards.